welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I made this wonderful skirt. It looks very nice. Let me see if I can flip the camera over. So guys, this is the final look of the skirt. This is how the skirt looks. It's the pleated skirt, as you can see. So this one I didn't put pockets, and yeah, this is how it looks. This is the final look. I love the color. And another important thing, guys, you should also focus on is these pictures. These pictures shouldn't be facing any other direction besides the right side, as you can see. You have to be very careful. So yeah. So right now I'm at work. So yeah, this is the final look. I love the color. I don't know, for some reason I think it goes with the blouse, with this top and the skirt. I feel like it blends. I don't know if I'm the only one who noticed that, but it blends. I feel like it blends. Yeah, it does blend. Looks nice, nice, nice.